Welcome back to my channel. Most of you know about psychology. What about cognitive psychology? So, according to Wikipedia, it is the scientific study of mental and mind functions based on LAM, C and D. First, language. Second, attention. Third, memory. Fourth, perception. Fifth is creativity, such as drawing and music. Last but not least, decision making. Should we eat the apple or not? Why is it so important? First, it can help us to improve our learning capabilities and train the machines based on vision, how they see objects, recognize it. Second, communicating with other machines and humans, and also do simple and complex maths. Stay tuned on my next video on testing effects.